Hello guys, welcome to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen, and in this video I'm going to tell you why you should not use admin as the username of your WordPress website. While going through many of my client side, I have seen it like they use admin as the username of their administrator user, or sometimes they use the site name as the administrator username, which is not a correct way to set the username of your administrator user, because these are few common things that is easily guessable. Let me explain you. Generally, the hackers use brute force attack to grab the username and password of any user site. And what they do in this case, in what happens generally in brute force attack, is their bot apply a combination of different username and password over and over again, and unless and until they find the right username and password. So if you set your admin name as a common like admin, or like your site name, so in that case they already know the username, because this is the primary preference they have in brute force, to use admin as the username or to use site name as the username of your administrator, and then the only thing they need is the password. So that's the thing, guys. Never use admin as the username. If you're already using admin as the username of your site, now I will tell you how you can change it to anything else, to save your site from being hacked. Here you can see, guys, I'm using admin as the username in my this site. And now, since admin is a common username that I've told, you cannot use this because it's easily guessable. So I will create a user here with a different username, maybe kind of a non-guessable. So you can see I have the new user now. And now the second thing I will do is to remove the admin, is to log out from this user and then log in with the user that I have newly created. And now, guys, I will go in the users tab and delete the previous user. But before deleting, as you can see, WordPress is prompting a message here to what should we do with the content of the existing user. You can assign the content to the new user that I have created and confirm deletion.